What is sporting clays and shotgun shooting? Imagine walking through a course where each step presents a new challenge, a different kind of flying target, and a fresh chance to test your skills. That's what sporting clays is all about. It is a shooting sport that uses shotguns to hit clay targets designed to mimic real game birds and small animals. Unlike trap or skeet shooting, where targets come from fixed points and follow predictable paths, sporting clays offers a more dynamic experience. The course usually has 10 to 15 stations spread out over natural terrain. Each station presents targets from different angles, heights, and speeds to simulate the flight of ducks, pheasants, grouse, or even rabbits. The targets are launched in singles or pairs, with pairs either shot at simultaneously or one after the other. This variety makes the sport more challenging and fun. The clay targets themselves are different sizes and flight patterns, which help shooters practice for real hunting situations. Sporting clays started as a way for hunters to practice wing shooting during the off-season. It remains popular because it closely resembles actual hunting conditions. Shooters need to track moving targets and adjust their aim quickly, just like in the wild. Any shotgun capable of firing two shots works well for sporting clays, with 12 and 20 gauge shotguns being most common. Many shooters prefer over-under shotguns because they have to choke tubes, allowing 4 different shot patterns at each station. Semi-automatic shotguns are also popular because they reduce recoil and allow 4 quick follow-up shots. A typical round involves shooting 50 targets, but some events include 100 targets. Shooters usually move in squads of 2 to 6 people, walking from station to station. The terrain, target types, and angles make sporting clays a well-rounded test of shotgun skills. It's a sport that helps hunters and recreational shooters improve their ability to hit moving targets in unpredictable environments. Whether you're practicing for hunting or just love the challenge, sporting clays offers a fun and engaging way to sharpen your shooting skills.